Hello everyone. Topic principle of superposition of electric charge. Topic principle of supermotion of electric charge. Let's video start. Coulomb's law gives the force between two point charge. Coulomb's law gives the force between two charges. What if there are a number of interacting charge? What if there are a number of interacting charge? Then the force on a particular charge may be found by the principle of superposition. It states that if the system contains a number of interacting charge, then the force on a given charge is equal to the vector sum of the force extracted on it by all remaining charge. The force between any two charges is not affected by the presence of other charge. Suppose that a system of charge contains n charges. Q1 dash, Q2 dash, Q3 dot Conan having position vectors R vectors, R2 vector, R3 vector dot Rn vector, vectors R1 vector dot R2 vector dot R3 vector dot Rn vectors relative the origin O respectively. A point charge Q is located at P having position. Vector R vectors P having position. Vector R vector relative to O, the total force on Q due to all n charge. The total force on Q due to all n charge is to be found. Is F1 vector dash F2 vector dash F3 vector dot Fn vector is to be found if F1 vector dot F2 vector dot F3 vector dot Fn vector are the forces acting on Q due to charge. Q1 dash Q2 dash dot Qn on Q due to charge Q1 dash Q2 dash Q3 dot Qn respectively, then by the principle of superposition. The net force on Q is F vector equal F1 vector plus का F2 vector plus का F3 vector plus का dot plus का F vector is equal to F1 vector add F2 vector add F3 vector add dot add Fn vector. Electric field definition most important. The electric field straight at any point is an electric field. In an electric field is a vector quantity whose magnitude is equal to the force acting on per unit positive test charge and whose direction is along the direction of force. The repeat topic electric field definition. The electric field strength at any point in an electric field is a vector quantity whose magnitude stated is equal to the force acting on per unit positive test charge and whose direction is along the direction of force. And thanks everyone.